Good morning, dear students. In the last previous class, we have discussed and talked about how to introduce yourself. Okay? So today we are going to study about the chapter number 2, that is body talk. Okay. So when I am talking about body talk, what comes into your mind? You are thinking, no, like body कैसा बात करेगा? How body will talk? Yes, but body will talk, obviously, through our actions. Okay, through our actions, through our expressions, our body language is shown through our body. Okay, through our body parts. So, my dear students, I have drawn a picture of a young boy, and I have mentioned some of the body parts. Okay. We all have a body parts, right? Which one is your eye? This one. Which one is your nose? This one. Hand? This one. Leg is this one. Okay. Here, that is here. Okay. Eyes. Again, tongue is there. Again, ear is there. Skin is there. Your hands are there. Arms are there. Shoulder is there. Okay. These all are your body parts. But my dear children, there are some people in this world, at least 30 to 40%, not even 40%, like there are some people who don't have their body parts. Okay, they don't have their body parts, or we can say like it doesn't function very well. So what happened is that we should not make fun of them. Okay. Someone may not be having their hands. Someone may not be having their legs, even eyes. Okay, we term them as a disability, but we should not say the disability. We should say special. Okay, we should not say the disability. This something like that word is used for them. No, this term should not be used for them. Okay, and we should not make fun of them who doesn't have a hand, who doesn't have legs or even eyes. Everyone is special. Okay, God has given us our body parts for which we must feel gratitude. Okay, so my dear, this is a boy, a young boy. I have mentioned some of the body parts, and now let us talk about how they help us. Okay. So ear, how does it help us? Ear help us to hear. Okay, hear the things. Now you can hear me, no? You are listening to me, and you can listen musics. You can listen the sound of anything. So through what you are listening? Through ear. Okay. Again, mouth. Where is your mouth? Here. So mouth help us to speak. I'm speaking, right? I'm speaking at the moment. So through my mouth, I am speaking to you. Okay, and through mouth also we can eat. They help us to even eat and speak. Comes next, that is nose. This is a nose. Nose helps us to smell. We know now there are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. 5 sense organs are there that we have discussed earlier. So, what is the function of your nose? To smell and to take a breath. Through nose only we can breathe, no? हम लोग मुंह से सांस लेते हैं, right? Even through nose we can smell anything like some food items. You can smell the food items. You can smell a perfume. You can smell anything that is good or bad, any odor, no? You can smell through your nose. So, what is the next part? That is skin. Okay. What does it do? Skin. Through skin, we feel. Okay. We feel heat. We feel cold. All the things that like through skin, we feel like hot, no? During summer, what happened? आपको गर्म आता है, पसीना आता है, थ्रू व्हाट? थ्रू स्किन ओनली. ओके, आपको इचिंग, खुजली बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, दैट ऑल्सो थ्रू स्किन. यू फील द थिंग्स. ओके, सेंस, नो? सो अगेन, व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज हैंड. What is this hands for? Hands are for holding the stuffs, holding the things. I'm holding this. I'm using my hand. And you can even, like suppose I'm going to throw this one. So I'm using my hand. Even through your hand, what you are doing? You are eating. You are playing. You are running through it. Okay? Through hand we can do our works, activities, no? Daily activities. We are doing through our hand. Okay, my dear? Another one is that is tongue. Tongue is for taste. You are eating food, no? आप खाना खाते हो, पानी पीते हो. So whatever the taste comes, that is through our tongue only. Okay, हम लोग tongue से ही taste करते हैं. Whatever the food item may be, bitter, sour. There are many kinds of taste, no? Bitter हो गए हैं, sour. Again, spicy. We say spicy, no? Again, sweet. These are the types of taste also. Okay, and this taste is done through your tongue. Okay, now see the eyes. What are these eyes for? Through eyes we can see. Now you are seeing. Okay, आप अब ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं. Through what? Through your eyes only. Okay, but I can't see you, no, at the moment. But I can see this one, my surrounding. I can see what is going on around me. I can see everything through my eyes. Okay, that is the thing. Our body parts are very important. They play a very important role. Okay, to do your works, to do your activities, to everything. The body parts is used. Okay. So one must always take care of your body parts. You should keep your body clean also. God has given us such a beautiful body, right? Such a beautiful body they have given us. We must feel gratitude. We must feel happy. We must feel blessed. Okay? This body is to worship. Worship your body. ठीक है? And you don't have to like इसके साथ ये है, इसके साथ ये नहीं है, and you should not make fun of someone else who don't have their like eyes, who don't have hands, legs and all. No, you don't have to make fun of them because everyone is special. God has given us the reason to live. जीने का एक reason देते हैं, ठीक है? अगर इस किसी का कुछ छीन लिया तो there is something, some purpose is there. Okay, everything happens for a reason. So my dear, okay, there are one or two like GK question also, like you know what is that? The smallest bone in our body, where is it located? There is, that is ears. Okay, I will just write it here. What is the question? I will just use this pen. Do you know? It might come in your exam also. 1 mark question. Okay. Do you know? So, what do you know? The smallest body part. The smallest body part of our body. What is that? That is present in okay. Do you know the smallest body part of our body present in ear? हमारे ये कान पे होते हैं, ठीक है? What is that thing? The smallest body part of our body is present in our ear. कान पे होते हैं, ठीक है? Another question is the 1 mark question. Okay, you just have to like remember, or it might become in any other exams also, not for just your academic but for your knowledge also. ठीक है? Do you know how many bones are there in as a human being? Human being के साथ कितना bones होते हैं? There are 230 bones. Okay, there are 230 bones in a human body. There are 213 bones in a human body, but do you know there are the bones of an infant is 300 and all. So in some area like they are saying 270, someone saying like 300. Okay, so when a baby is born, like infant baby, no, वो लोग का हड्डियाँ क्यों इतना ज़्यादा होते हैं? They have 300 something like this bone, okay, present in their body as compared to human being, मतलब adult human body. I will write in the bracket. I will write adult. Okay. Okay. आया मैं मौत है पहला आया इतना देर लेक्चर मार दिया यार, ड्राइंग भी मिट गया। अब क्या क्या था, हो जाएगा आधा में वीडियो प्ले कर देगा। क्या करेंगे अब, हम तो छुट्टी गए आगे।